What's the biggest mistake that people make with anger? It's either exploding or imploding. But there's another way, one that transforms anger into boundaries, clarity, even love. In this video, we'll explore the cooler side of anger, one that doesn't require analyzing or acting out. Instead, connects you back into your body, your heart, and your truth. One of the patterns I see the most when working with clients who are working through anger is that they think it's either something they have to act out on or suppress. But here's the thing, anger's role is to say no. Anger is a boundary. Anger rises when something feels off, misaligned, or unsafe. Anger's purpose is to steer us to what really matters, our values, our desires, and our truth. But the problem is when we explode from anger, we project. And when we implode with anger, we suppress. And both give rise to stress hormones. Both can lead to chronic stress, inflammation, chronic anger and resentment, and in turn, eventual health problems. When what we need is a shift, it's to be able to feel the anger without feeding it, and to honor that sacred no without getting stuck in blame. And then to listen for the yes that is deeper than the anger, the yes of our intuition, the yes of our soul. Our true yes lives when our nervous system is regulated. Our yes comes from love, joy, vitality, not from survival. And this is what we'll tap into in this brief guided meditation that can lead you into a journal prompt where we can explore this cooler side of anger, not just intellectually, but somatically in your body. So you can feel into your sacred no in your body and feel into your sacred yes from a regulated nervous system and from a warm, open heart. All right, let's begin the meditation. Begin to drop in, just feeling into the support beneath you, no matter how you're sitting or if you're standing right now. Just letting your awareness come into your body, no matter what you're doing right now as you listen to me. And let something come to mind that stirs up anger, an argument, an injustice to you personally or on the world stage, a time you felt belittled or disrespected or unseen. And let yourself feel into the scenario or the memories, how this impacted you, how it impacts you now, how it's impacted others in your life or your health, what you do, or perhaps what you believe to be possible for yourself and for others. What do you feel arising in your body? What are the qualities of the sensations arising in your body? Is there tension, contraction, sourness, bitterness, toxicity? Or do you feel expansion, pressure, or overwhelm? Where in your body do you feel these sensations? Now begin to feel water washing over you. And if you can't feel it, you can just imagine it. Perhaps you can hear it. Let this be cooling for you. And imagining this water washing over you, down through the crown of your head, washing down through your eyes, your temples, cooling and relaxing your brain, washing down through your tongue, your jaw, your throat, down through your neck, and washing over your heart, slowing down your heartbeat, relaxing your shoulders, your arms, your elbows, your wrists, your hands and fingers. And feel this water relaxing your ribs, your lungs, washing down through your belly, your digestive system, cooling and relaxing the muscles through your hips, your pelvis, down through your legs, your feet, and your toes. Now let's bring in some oxytocin by bringing your hands over your heart, knowing touch itself releases this warm love hormone. So feel the supporting warmth of your hands over your heart. And begin to consciously breathe into the space between your shoulder blades, in your back. And if you haven't worked with breathing in this way before, and feel like you can't literally breathe into your back, you can imagine your breath moving into the space around your shoulder blades and into the back of your heart center. Let this breathing relax the muscles around your shoulder blades, letting the shoulders relax and soften, resting away from your ears. And now let your breathing expand out through the sides of your ribs. Feeling the space between the ribs expand on your inhales, creating even more space through your heart center. And bring your awareness to a person. It can be a pet, or even a place where you feel love and where you feel loved. This reciprocation of love. Seeing or feeling the person or pet or place surface love and gratitude. And feeling thankful for this relationship. Let yourself feel trust in this love that you feel. Trust in this relationship. And begin to let this love, this gratitude, and trust surface in your body. Feeling this in your body. How does this feel in your body? What sensations arise? What are the qualities of the sensations? Where in your body do you feel the sensations? Now slowly bring your awareness back to the source of your anger, your sacred no. And feeling this love and gratitude, what yes do you feel? What yes arises in you? And it may be in specific relation to your sacred no that you've been feeling into and exploring in this short practice. And maybe it's unrelated. Maybe it's spontaneous and it's just inspiration that's rising in you. Just feeling into this yes arising in you. And what is that for you right now? And if you're unclear on what that is, you can just feel into it in your body. And as you're ready, you can slowly open your eyes. I suggest taking some time to write your experience with this practice and any insights that are surfacing for you. Any words you may want to express or actions that you want to take that align with the insights that arose throughout this practice. I've timestamped the meditation in the description so you can return to it anytime. And if you'd like to explore more practices based on your own personal elemental nature, where you may be more imbalanced right now, you can check out the 5-element quiz that I've linked in the description. And if this resonated with you, you can like it and subscribe to support the work that I'm sharing here, and share it with anyone who you think it may help them honor their sacred no, their sacred yes. Let me know in the comments what clarity or insights came through for you. Thanks for being here with me. I'll see you in the next video.